Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. So this video is going to be about the Nifty 50 analysis and also the Nifty 200 stocks analysis. The elections have ended and we got the results, and there has been a volatility, there has been a uncertainty, but now we are very clear with the fact that who is going to be the PM and how the market is reacting to that, and the price action is quite clear as to what it is going to do in the upcoming weeks and upcoming months. We have a lot of potential in this. I was trying to conduct a webinar initially, but due to some technical difficulties, I couldn't do it. Sorry for that. But again, this is going to be a course. I was only planning to do Nifty 50 analysis in the webinar, but in this course, free course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze all the Nifty 200 stocks as well. So maybe this is a blessing in disguise, because there is going to be a lot of potential stocks, right, in the webinar, which you wouldn't have seen, but now you're going to add a lot of potential stock in your watch list from which you can make the most use of it. Okay, so I just want to be very clear that this is not a financial advice and this is not a call. I'm not giving you any calls here. I will not be responsible for your loss or profits or your trades. Okay, this is just an analysis for educational purpose, and let me get started with the analysis. Okay, I hope you can see the price here. So we have ultra cement stock, which we will discuss it later, which we will analyze later. But for now, let's start with Nifty. Okay, and then we will go to Bank Nifty, and then we will start with the Nifty 50 stocks, and then we are going to start the Nifty 200 stocks. So get a coffee, you're going to listen, you're going to patiently watch everything, and you're going to add this all in your watch list. And yeah, so let's get started. How do we get started? We will get started with the Nifty, because Nifty is the index. This If Nifty moves, all other stocks moves, because it is the Nifty 50 itself. So what we are going to do is we will see if there is an opportunity in Nifty 50 index. Let's keep aside the options and futures for now. Let's just look at it in a swing trading equity view. Like let's say we are going to analyze Nifty 50 just based on, not based on options, but based on equity trading. Okay, so when I'm analyzing Nifty 50, don't think that you can take it as an option trade. No, we are just going to do it on a swing trading basis. So Nifty 50 is in this particular channel, and what is going to happen? There has been a good resistance in this particular top trend line, and there has been a heavy, very good support here. And What we can see here is that there is a very, very good bullishness, guys. This is yeah this The last 1 week is the crazy volatility that we have seen. So on Monday, just wait for few more hours just to confirm. Okay, we have to see how this is all going to play out. If there is going to be another one, a good candle, this is 100% confirmed that it is going up. If it is staying sideways, we have to see. Okay, so but I feel that this recovery itself is telling you what is going to happen in the coming weeks. This is a very crucial moment. This is when you make money out of the stock market. It's completely fine if you did not participate in this particular area, because you didn't get any good opportunity to buy, because the markets were not very sure if the government will be the same or a different government. This is why you see not a very good price action. But now that the market is clear with the direction, so that is when you start to make money as well. So Nifty 50 is good, looking good, and which means we can have a look at other Nifty 50 stocks. But before that, what we are going to do is we are going to analyze Bank Nifty stocks. Okay, So this is Bank Nifty index. What is happening with Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, it's not as good as Nifty. If you notice, in Nifty we had a clear bullishness. There, all the red candle was covered with green candles, which means the selling pressure was, was diminished. And now here in Bank Nifty, if you see, you cannot say that all the selling pressure has been bought back by the buyers, right? There is still a 20%, 30% gap to fill. So if Bank Nifty goes above this and then take a retrace, this is when you buy Bank Nifty related stocks. So we will skip for now. So I'm not saying Bank Nifty is bearish, okay? All I'm saying is Bank Nifty is not favorable at the moment. It is only good to watch until now. We are not going to take any we are not going to take any actions or trades based on Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty stocks. Okay, so now let's go to the stocks, Nifty 50 stocks. So this it's not a good, guys, it's not good. Like, it has been going up, 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 up. So I wouldn't buy a stock which is just keep going up. I mean, even if it keeps going up, I don't mind, because if I buy here, my stop loss is humongous. Like, let's say, look at this. If I keep the stop loss here, look at this. If I enter here, I will keep my stop loss in probably here or here, right? Which is very huge. I'm not going to keep a 7% stop loss, which the probability is more to hit this particular stop loss. It's not like there is low chance of hitting. It is a decent amount of chance of hitting. So 7%, it doesn't make sense for me to enter. So let's just skip it. Okay. So let's look at Wipro. Wipro, again, if you look at this, there is a huge breakout, but I would not buy here. I would not buy here, because again, if I buy here, my stop loss would be here or below this, which is high. So ideally you should have bought it when this yesterday on Thursday. You should have bought it because the risk is less. Keep in mind that you are supposed to take a trade only when the risk is low, not because there is a huge green candle. If you understand this simple thing, you would avoid a lot of setups, and by that you will avoid a lot of loss. Okay, always trade only when the risk is low, no matter how beautiful it looks, no matter how big of a green candle there is. This is a very important thing, and because of this advice, you will definitely save a lot of money. Okay, Tech Mahindra, it is decent, guys. I wouldn't say it is amazing. It is okay. uh, uh, you know let's just watch this. Let's not add this in the watch list. Infosys, I'm not going to trade Infosys, because it is um, just a moment. Yeah, so that it is a slow moving stock, right? I'm not going to take trades. Even if it looks good, I'm just going to skip it, because for the last 3 years or 4 years, it has been sideways, and this is a heavy stock. Okay, it is one of the largest stock, and it moves like a snail. So I don't want to get into a stock that moves very slow. So this is a very good setup, guys. This is a stock that you should add in your watch list. On Monday, I may even consider to buy this, or again, this is not a financial advice. Just because I buy, you don't buy, and this is just my view. I will definitely look this up on Monday, because this is a very good breakout. It has been on a sideways ever since last December. Almost 6 months it has been on a sideways trend after a good move. What happens? A very good move, consolidation, and a very good breakout. What do you think is going to happen? Don't see, there are people who says that I'm not going to buy because this is 10,000 rupees. It doesn't matter. Okay, 20% in 100 rupees stock and 20% in 10,000 rupees stock is the same. The profit is going to be the same. It doesn't matter if the stock price is huge. You have to think in terms of percentage. Okay. So yeah, please add this on your watch list. Bharti Airtel. It is good, but I'm not going to buy because the same like M&M. But it is looking good. If you want to chase, feel free to maybe scalp trade or something like that. But I will not buy this. Okay, there are only few stocks that I will buy, which is setups that has low risk. Same goes for Tata Steel. I'm not going to buy. Bajaj Finance looks interesting. If you notice, this is the wow. This looks really nice, guys. Let me just add this. Okay, wait. Let me change this into the trend line. Wow, this is looking really great. You can add this Bajaj Finance in your watch list for sure. You can, the first target could be this trend line, and then we will see if there is a breakout. Okay, yeah, this is a very good potential which I will add in my watch list, which I might trade on Monday. Again, this is not a financial advice because you have to give disclaimer. People buy just because I say I buy, but I will buy only when there is, what if Bajaj Finance gaps down on Monday? I will not buy. You have to know the basics. If you have been watching my YouTube channel, you know what to do, right? Um, so Titan is good, but it does not have any specific pattern, I guess. Let's see. Okay, there is one. Uh, do I consider it? Yes, it is good, but there are better setups, right? So yes, I will add this on my watch list. Okay. Uh, Titan is also a good candidate. So far, we have selected Bajaj Finance, Titan, what else? Ultra Cement. These three stocks I have added. We will add Titan as well. Tata Motors is good. The reason is the reason is simple. I will buy here. I mean, I'm not saying I will definitely buy. What I mean is, if I buy here, I will put my stop loss. Where do I put? Probably below this green candle, because this red candle is too huge. And this is the place where there has been a lot of buying pressure, and this a small resistance point is broken, so the target could be 1046. Okay, add this on your watch list, and yeah, what next? ONGC. Not good. I'm not buying ONGC because it has come down from the channel pattern. NTPC, it is decent. If you guys would like to buy, no guys, I'm not buying it. It's not good to add. No, I'm not buying this huge. There is a huge red candle, so I'm not buying it. Dr. Reddy, let me check. It is good. Dr. Reddy is good. You can add this on your watch list. Okay, and what else? JSW Steel. Bajaj Finserv, no. Reliance. What's happening with Reliance? Wait until this is broken. Okay. I have added an alert, and I will put this on my watch list as well because it is good. It has been consolidating. There has been a volatility, and there is a bullishness. If the trend line is broken, yeah, it's good. So let's add this on our watch list as well. So this, the reason why I'm conducting this webinar is because there is a lot of potential, and I want my subscribers to make use of it. Okay. Uh, and I thought I would do this in a webinar, but again, this is fine. Uh, this is better, I feel, in a way. because I'm going to do Nifty 200 analysis as well, and there is going to be a lot of potential stock, and you can make the most use of it. Sun Pharma, okay, okay, yeah, it is good too. So I'm not gonna add these. So the alerts. See, the thing is, whenever I'm adding alerts, I'm not going to add this on the watch list. I will add this on the watch list only when the alert is, triggered. So I will just wait until then. And what is happening with Grasm industry? Eh, no. Adani Ports, no. Sri Cement, no. Davis Lab, no. Some people are asking me, Adani Modi one, should I buy, uh, you know, Adani stocks? I mean, if the technical is good, go for it. If the technical is bad, don't go for it. Okay. Sri, okay, Sri Cement. No, not good. Davis Lab, not good. It's just going up, so we're not gonna buy. TCS, it's okay. No, not good. Because when I say not good, it is because of the huge red candle. Okay, you have to check because, um, for example, on the election day when it came down, okay, and because they thought the PM Modi is not coming, correct, because of the poor results, and the next day it was confirmed that the PM Modi is coming back again. So you have to pay attention to the stock which recovered really well. I'm interested in the stock which has recovered really well. I'm not interested in stock which has recovered only 25%. I'm not interested when a stock has recovered only 50% of the previous day. Okay, these are very important things which you will not even get in the paid webinars, because this is coming from my experience of trading more than 7 years. um, because I know, I told you guys right on my YouTube channel. If you are a new member on this, I have a YouTube channel called the Madras Trader. I posted it a week back that there is going to be a lot of volatility in election day. Please stay away from it. I got a lot of messages saying that, yeah, they were saved, that they did not trade and they saved a lot of money. So the reason I knew is I have seen many elections, the state elections, and the national elections, everything, and I kind of knew this is going to happen. And what about the Axis Bank? At the moment, we are staying away from the bank stocks, guys. Let it recover a bit, okay, and then we will look at it. I mean, if it is technically good, we will go for it. But if you look at the Axis Bank, um, uh, it is only 70% recovered, right? So I will wait. I don't mind, because what could happen is there could be a consolidation, because after a huge fall like this and a recovery, there will not be a V-shaped recovery, or there could be, but the possibility is less, is what I'm saying. So what happens usually is it could be going like this and then go up. Okay. So at the moment, this is not a potential stock. Coal India, no. Same, and I hope you guys know the reason. Nestle India, what is happening with Nestle India? There is a wick which I don't like, so I will just avoid a huge wick. Stay away. Wick is a red flag, guys. Okay, just like how you find red flags in relationships, you also should find red flags in price action. Kotak Bank, I will wait. Okay, this is again a terrible stock in terms of movement. Like the last 2 years, it has stayed sideways, but it is a safe stock. I will wait until this is broken, so there is no hurry. ICICI, no. Asia Motors, no. HDFC Bank, no. ITC, no. No. Asian Paints, no. because there is a wick. Okay, the reason why I say no is it's either because there is a huge red candle, or it's either because the price action is bad. Indus is looking good. Look at this kind of a recovery. This is what I'm talking about, guys. On the election result date, it went down. Okay, and the next day it recovered 95%, if not 100%, 96% it recovered, which is good. This is what I'm looking for. These are the stocks which I look for. Although I'm not buying this because there is technically no breakout yet. There is just recovery. Okay, breakout happens when there is a good news, or uh, yeah. So this we are not trading because it's just a recovered. Okay, I want a recovery with a breakout like IRB, the video which I posted yesterday on YouTube. It recovered and it had a breakout. These are the two key things, okay, to look for. People say, uh, there are a lot of fake breakouts and stuff and everything. It's not about just the pattern, guys. You have to consider a lot of things. Do you see how I look at? I hope you guys understand how I look at certain things. It's not just blindly buying a stock after a breakout, or it's all about the understanding the psychology behind every stock. Okay, so yeah, Britannia. Okay, not bad. Uh, but this week is concerning, so I'll skip, obviously. What should I do? No, I will add an alert maybe, but I will not add this on my watch list. Okay. Wow, what a wonderful breakout this is. I posted this on our JFT equity course community. Uh, it is a very good breakout. Tata Consumer, nope. SBI and um, sorry, SBI Life Insurance. This is good. A good recovery. Let me go to weekly. SBI Life Insurance is good. Um, I will maybe I'll add an alert like this, not on the trend line, because this is also a very good resistance. Do you see? One, two, three. Yeah, so it is better to wait for this particular resistance to go above. So yeah, Nifty 50 is done, guys. We have successfully completed the Nifty 50 stock analysis. We have selected a lot of stocks: Ultra Cement, Bajaj Finance, Titan, Dr. Reddy, Reliance. Yeah, almost around six stocks, I guess. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, five stocks out of 50 stocks. We have selected five stocks, and we have just added this on the watch list. Okay, and on Monday, if it satisfies my condition, like going above the previous candle, or when there is a bullishness, and then that is when I buy, or when there is a strong close, that is when I buy. I don't blindly buy this. Okay, this is not a call at all. So I just add this on my watch list and see how this all behaves. So let's go to Nifty 200 stocks. But before that, let me just have a sip, guys. My throat is dry. This is just a tender coconut that you get in Dubai. It's so good. Feels good. Okay. Let's start with Ramco Cement. Okay. How long has it been? It's been 24 minutes to. Okay, almost around 20 minutes for Nifty 50 stocks to analyze. Let's see how long it takes for Nifty 200 stocks. Okay, these are the stocks. McDowell's. So these are the Nifty 200 stocks. Okay, these are FNO. Uh, Ramco Cement. I don't think there are 200 stocks in Nifty FNO. I think it's around 160 or something like that, I guess, right? I mean, previously it used to be Nifty 200, so that is why I'm calling it like 200, 200. I don't know the current number, guys. But these are the most important stocks that is, I have saved. So we are going to do all the top Nifty 200 stocks. Mm. Okay, let's get started again. Um, Ramco Cement, if you look at it, okay, this is the pattern. Um, it is good. Like if you enter here, you can put your stop loss below this candle, right? So I will just add this on my watch list. So let me add this on a different color, like orange maybe, because I have saved uh, Nifty 50 in a different color. So idea, don't trade these stocks, guys. Any stock that has fallen like these, it's not good. Okay. Wipro, no man, it's a slow moving stock, so I'm not going to uh, you know pay attention to these stocks. Again, you also have to look at the trend, guys. Look at the trend for the last 3 4 years. Whirlpool is going down. It is not a trending stock to buy. Yes, it has broken. It is a good thing. uh, Maybe what you can do is, it's all about your it's very subjective, guys. Like you can plan to enter to in this trade, but it can move slowly. But this is also a good opportunity. There is no right or wrong in entering this stock. Okay, in stock market, people say it's either right or wrong, but it's not that. It's usually in the middle. You can say that, okay, let me enter in this Whirlpool stock. What can happen? It can skyrocket because it has broken out of a very good resistance, but it can also move slowly. After, just because there is a breakout doesn't mean it will move up like a rocket. What can happen is it can go and test the trend line again for few weeks. You know what I mean? So this is why, personally, me, I will avoid. Okay, personally, I won't take the trade, but it's not wrong if you take the trade. uh, these things that I'm teaching you, I can tell you with confidence that even the paid webinar that you see, the paid course, you will not get these kind of information. I can assure you that you will make a lot of money from this free course. Okay. Tech Mahindra, we analyzed this already. So in this, guys, in this Nifty 200 stocks, you will also come across the Nifty 50 stocks, because in Nifty 200 you will also find Nifty 50, right? So we have analyzed already this stock, but if I look at the weekly time frame, it is looking really good, if you ask me. So have this on your watch list. Okay. But I don't know if I will trade. It all depends on the market, the current market condition, which is on Monday. uh, MCX, no, no man, it's not it's not good. There is no pattern, there is no good. Okay, this is a good recovery. Coforge, good recovery, but again, I'm not trading. We have talked about this, we have talked about this, we have talked about this. Sale, uh, no, because it has not recovered. Tata Steel, look at this recovery. Do you see the difference, guys? Sale, it has not recovered the candle. Here, if you look at the Tata Steel, it has recovered a lot. Um, but will I buy? Will I go and chase? Sometimes it is better. I mean, I wouldn't say it's better. It's okay to chase certain setups. Um, Usually, I don't recommend chasing, but this stock is worth chasing because of this insane bullishness. So, setups like this, what you can do is allocate a very small proportion, something like that. FSL, uh, FSL, Fast Source Solution. Nope, sorry, I'm not adding you. Intellect, no. Bajaj Finance, we already talked about this. This is a very good stock, guys. Please add this on your watch list. Balram, Chinipur, nope. India Cement, yup. Because look at this. Beautiful, guys. This is a piece of art. uh, Look at this. Amazing, man. I like this setups. Okay. Uh, can't believe that I'm giving these setups for free. But it's okay. I'm very happy that I can do this for my audience because you guys have given me enough support. This is the least I can do for you guys. So India Cement is breaking out of this, and I'm definitely adding this. Look at this. It has okay. Let's look at the past for a bit. I want to have a look at the weekly. Okay. It's kind of sideways, but again there is a breakout, so which we cannot ignore. So yeah, I will buy. I mean, on Monday, if it is not going down, there is no red candles, if there is a certain kind of bullishness for the first couple of hours, or something like that, I will definitely consider buying it. We have talked about this bill. I'm skipping because of the obvious reasons, which obvious reason. No, look at this. This is a very terrible price action, so I'm skipping it. RBL Bank. It's nice. I would say it's nice. Let's say, yeah. So what is going to happen is, yeah, there is going to be a breakout or something like that. Yeah. I will just add this on my watch list, but I'm not sure if I will trade. Okay. Oh wow! Look at this Gujarat gas. This is looking good. I'm going to add this, guys. Gujarat gas. Look at this. It is a very good breakout. Gujarat gas will touch the all-time high very soon, so I'm adding the watch list. Again, this is not a financial call. We are just doing the analysis. Okay, Balkrishna Industries. I think. No, I'm not going to trade this. Yes, this is a breakout, but this is not a very. Uh, See, there are. It's like 50-50, guys. So I'm chasing setups that has more probability to win. Okay, there will be also setups that will win, but the probability of those setups are like 60 to 70%. So I will skip those stocks. There is a chance it may win. Okay, if it goes up, it's fine, but I'm going to skip it. I'm aiming for setups that has more than 70 to 80% probability. Okay. This is the perfect example of a triangle, which if there is a breakout, I will definitely buy it, guys. I will definitely buy. um, Add this on your watch list. The amount of money you're going to make from this video, if you do it right, okay, if you plan well, if you make the most use of this video, you can watch this video again and again. Each thing that I've told you is very crucial, and I don't want you to miss. Please make money. I'll be happy. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is a piece of art. So I'm just going to add this on my watch list. I have added the alert, and once the alert is hit, I will add this on my watch list. And there is like tens of stocks that we can trade. JSW Steel. It is good. It has been good for many years. Okay. Uh, yeah. Bajaj Fencer. Yeah, this is good. I will add this trend line, an alert, and if this is hit, I will buy. Okay. Reliance. I told you about Reliance already. BPCL. Nope. Dabur. Dabur. Okay. But too much of buying, guys. So I'll wait for some kind of a retrace. Okay, and then I will buy. No. No. Yeah, you can. It's up to you if you want to add this stock torrent former VDL. This is such a, I don't like this stock because it's so volatile. And look at this. How can you trade this a stock like this? Goes up very slowly for almost 1 year, very slow movement, and then in next 4 weeks or 5 weeks, it goes down what 40%. This is very a news driven stock. I don't know if they manipulate or something. I don't know, man. Like, I will not, no matter how good it looks. Look at this. What is this? This is not a stock which I would want to trade. Although this is a stock which is most talked about in the media or in social media, but don't fall for those traps. Okay, you don't. Whenever there is too much of attention to a stock, avoid that. You will make good money by saving, by not making a loss. um, PFC, no. Sun Pharma, I think we talked about this early. No. Indus Tower, no. Dixon, no. Okay, let me tell you why Dixon is not a buy from me. So basically, if Dixon is breaking out like this, I will buy. If Dixon is breaking out like this, I will buy. But here, if you ask me, no, because what if it just goes sideways? There has been a huge buying already. Yeah, it can go like this, but the the probability is there. That the probability is good, but it's not great like other setups. You know what I mean? Look, this is a good setup. There has been a very good rejection in this trend line, and it has broken out. There was a small retrace candle, and then it has given a bullish candle again. This is a good setup to add this on your watch list. Okay. Granules is good. But not good enough for me to buy because it has gone up a lot already, which is not favorable for me because the stop loss is big. Alchem, no. Alchem Labs, no. Loris Labs, no. Not good. Nifty 50, we talked about it already. Delta Corp, no. Grasim, no, because it has been going up. Okay, so this is how you uh, ignore stocks. That is very important. You have to find reasons to ignore stocks. Okay. Godrej ICP, about India, Ambuja Cement, Trent, Zeal. No. Pale. DLF. DLF is good. No. Sri Cement. No. No. Cree. No. No. Indigo. No. SBI card. No. Bharat Forge. No. HAL. No. HDFC. No. TCS. No. Do you guys see why I say no? Because of the obvious, uh, the recovery is not that great in those stocks, which I'm looking for. Okay, Syngene, it's good. Let me. I mean, good for drawing the pattern, not for the trade. Yeah, I'll add alert. Okay, now I hope you guys know the reason. Uh, Good support, but there is a good recovery as well. But it is just staying sideways. Not for now, maybe for later. We have discussed about this AGL. Okay, so this is a stock which I've made most money in options. If you guys remember, I have made a very good amount in IGL last year in March 2023, March or February. Okay, basically, which move? This move, yeah, March. It was March. Basically, this breakout, I made really good profit, 4 lakhs or something like that. And before that also I made good profit in this breakout. Okay, I'm very good in IGL stock. Some stocks are lucky, so this is a very good, I would say. mm, yeah, what you have to do is you have to wait for this uh, trend line to break. Okay, don't take trades in options. IGL moves are great. Just so even in equity, you can book like some 15% or something like that in few days, few 1 or 2 weeks, because IGL has this. You have to learn about the characteristics of each stock. You have to know how each stocks move. This is a very good edge to have. Because when I look at certain stock, I know how this is moves. For example, Kotak Bank is a snail. It moves like a snail. Infosys moves like a snail. Wipro moves like a snail. Ultratech Cement, it goes up very fast. Uh, IGL, it goes up very fast. And I also remember about another stock, Jet Airways, which is not listed now because it's bankrupt. It used to have the worst price action. I never, even if there is a setup, I don't trade Jet Airways, because uh, airline stocks in general has a crazy volatility in price action, and especially Jet Airways used to have a very bad volatility. So what I'm saying is you need to know about how a stock moves. So it's not just about what you learn on YouTube, drawing lines or drawing patterns. There is a lot more characteristics, there is a lot more things around the patterns. You have to learn the volume, you have to learn how the stock moves. This is what I keep telling you about, which you learn in my equity course as well. There is a lot of explanation on a lot of stocks. This is why I recommend you joining there. Okay, equity course, if you want, or you can just stick with my YouTube channel, which is good enough to make money, which a lot of people do. So ICICI Prudential, no man, it's not that good. GNFC, no. Cipla, what's the time, guys? Okay, because I want to upload this on my course before end of the day, so that you guys can watch and then take trades respectively on Monday. Cipla, No. Yeah, there is a if there is a breakout. I mean, this is not a great pattern, so I'll just skip it. No. I think as we go down, the stocks are not going to be that interesting because as you go down how do I tell you? The stocks that we watched in the beginning, they all were top gainers on Friday. So we are just going down, down, down. So it started from 5%. So right now we are around the stocks which has moved like 1% on Friday. So that can give you an idea that the okay, this is good, that as we progress down from these stocks, the probability of finding good stock is less. Okay, this is good. Okay, you can target this and look at the price action for the last 1 year. It has been sideways, but there is a breakout. So you can also look at the what is this the price action in the past. Whenever there is a breakout, this is a good there is a good oh, just 5%. Forget it, guys. We don't want this. So we are looking for a stock that has given a breakout, that has good uh, probability of moving up. You have to look at the past to see if the stock has a potential to go up. What else? The recovery on Friday is very important. Okay, these are the things that we are looking for now. So this thing will not apply on every day. Okay, this what we are talking about is based on this kind of a situation. So every situation is different, and you have to mold your rational uh, about all these stocks. You have to think differently, and you have to improvise based on the situation. So it's not like I will put the same template and I will put the same formula for the each situation. This is what a lot of people do. I'm just waiting for breakout. Let me buy after a breakout in green candle. Obviously, you will lose money because you're not considering all other things, right? Birch paint, no. Pidilite, no. Hindustan Unilever, no. No, no. We are going slow on bank stocks because the bank Nifty we saw. Maruti Suzuki is interesting. Yeah. Okay, so ABB. Why did I not add a Maruti Suzuki? Because there is no breakout. It is good. It has recovered well, but it has not. There is no pattern, right? Yeah, that is how strict you should be. A stock can look good, but that doesn't mean you add this on your watch list. Ibel, MRF, Acer Motors. No, 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 no. This is again a slow moving stocks. We are skipping bank stocks for now. Apollo Hospital is looking very good. So I mean, I can see the pattern without even drawing. I hope some can do. I don't know if you're familiar with that. Maybe it takes some time. So this is a very good stock, guys. Look at this beauty. It's a piece of art. So I'll add alert on this. Oh shit. I'll add alert on this create. I'll add no, I'm not going to add alert on in the bottom. So I'm just waiting for this to break out. Okay, let it break out and then we will see what we can do about it. Okay, I've added alert. I've added. Okay, cool. ITC. No, let's skip ITC now. We don't want that. Asian Paints, no. We have discussed. Can Bank, we have discussed about this. IndusInd, Bank of Baroda, no. IDFC. If you look at this, all the stock that are in the bottom are bank stocks. We kind of figured out the bank. We should be very cautious about bank in the beginning just by looking at the bank nifty stocks. Sorry, bank nifty index, right? Yeah. So Manapuram Finance, no. Ipka Lab, no. Obviously, no. ICICI, no. Bata India, no. IEX, no. IDFC. Eh. I'll just add the alert, guys. Atul, who not? Who not? I already posted this on YouTube. If you guys remember, on the Madras Trader YouTube channel, I posted this here. It went up. I hope you guys made money. So when I posted this, people were saying, this is a huge stock. How can I buy? It doesn't give me a huge profit. But look at this. It has given 33%. So if you buy just one stock, which is, for example, 43,000, 30% of 43,000, you make the calculation, you would have made good money out of it, right? So it doesn't matter if a stock is 100 rupees, or 10,000, 50,000. All you have to think in terms of percentage. Britannia, no guys. Nalco, no. TVS Motor, no. IOC, it's good. But the thing is, it's, yeah, maybe if I've already added the alert. So I think in the bank, if you look at it, this is the only bank that has recovered well. This is the pattern. This is the okay. Okay. And Hotel Sun TV. Chola Finance, Chola Mandalam Investment. Okay. Now, look at this crazy price action. Why would I want to be a part of this? This is how you ignore, okay? You have to find reason as to why you shouldn't trade the stock. But generally, as a beginner, you will always find all the stocks to be, amazing. Wow, look at this setup. I can make money out of it. This is what everyone thinks. But that's fine. I used to think like that too. But as you gain experience, you will be like, no, no, no. You have to get to that point of saying no. Pie industry. It is good. I will add this on my watch. Not or I'll just add the trend line. If it is broken, then I will think about it. Tata Consumer. No. Petronet. No. Aarti Industry. No. Escorts. No. Jubilant Food. No. Crompton. No. Wait. Let me look at the Crompton. No. Look at the past. Yes. I just look for reasons to ignore, and I already found one. No. I think I said more no in this video. No. This we discussed about it. Glenmark, no man, no. But Metropolis, no. Okay, there are few stocks like HDFC. Sorry, PVR. Mindtree. Oh, sorry. Never mind. These are the old stocks, guys. LTI. LT. Uh, no. So basically, we have. Let's have a look at McDowell's. What is that? United McDowell's. Okay, United Spirits. Okay, they changed the name, right? So, United Spirits. Let me. What is this? Why is there no price action in this? Not the holdings. Okay, I'll check this about the stock, and I will update this on my Telegram channel. Okay. Bajaj Auto. I think we had a look at Bajaj Auto previously. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think we are done. But there is something more which I have to explain. But yeah, so we have added a lot of stocks. There is a lot of stocks coming up. All I want you to do is go through this video again and again so that you don't miss anything that I said, because every word that I uttered here is very important. And if you don't skip any and watch the entire video, I'm sure you have gained a lot of knowledge. You have added a lot of stocks to the watch list, which you can trade and make money out of it. If you found this video helpful, I don't know if I've decided to put this on YouTube yet, but if I decide to put this on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section, because your support and your comment is very much appreciated. And so that share this with your friends and everyone who you know, because this is my time, and I have and also my knowledge, and I have spent quite a lot of time on this. So I would appreciate if you share this with your friend as well, and I'm sure they will find this useful too. So what you do, just put this on your all the stocks that we discussed. Make sure to put this on the watch list for Monday. On Monday, just wait for see what is happening. If it is bullish, go for it. If it is bearish, wait. See on Tuesday if there is a good bullishness again, because Friday there was a good bullishness, and for 2 days the market can be boring, and on Wednesday it can turn interesting as well. Okay. Monday, I don't know what, no one can predict, but just you have to assume all the different possibilities. Okay, that is very important. So let's say Monday there is a sideways, and then on Tuesday you lose interest or something like that, because that's how a beginner think. I know how a beginner would think, because I have been in the past. Everyone has been a beginner in the past, right? So make sure to be patient. Wait for Monday. If Monday is boring, wait for Tuesday. If Tuesday is boring, wait for Thursday. As long as there is no bearishness, you don't have to worry. Okay. So yeah, so let's get on to another important thing, which I'm going to do this weekend. The next weekend. What I'm going to do is I'm going to launch a paid course for mid cap and small cap analysis. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me just let me just end just this. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. So this is my paid workshop, which I'm going to conduct next weekend. So I may launch this any time during this week. Okay, I'm not sure when, because I want to look at the market. What is this paid workshop is all about? I'm going to do a thorough analysis on small cap and mid cap stocks. So currently we analyzed the top 200 stocks in Nifty, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same kind of analysis on mid cap and small cap stocks. And this is kind of once in a lifetime opportunity, because the reason why I came up with this idea is because we have seen in this video how many potential stocks were there in just Nifty 200 stocks. Imagine the kind of potential it has in mid cap and small cap. This is where you make huge money out of it. Remember, okay? Uh, Whatever you pay for this workshop, okay, you will definitely make 10 times out of it. I'm sure with this free live, with this free video, you will make a good amount of money. I'm very sure you can't go wrong. And because you guys have been following me for a long time, and I know you guys know, how to make money from my videos. So just for an example of how the next video is, I mean the next course, the workshop is going to be like, I'll just show you. Okay, remember the Honeywell auto which I posted a week back? It moved up 30%, right? And a lot of people made money. So these are the comments that you see. They bought at 44,000 and stop loss hit at I mean what he means by stop loss is, target, TSL, target stop loss I made 12,600. This is a free video which I posted on YouTube. I entered at 43k, 20% already, and he's going to make money. Remember the IRB stock which I posted 6 months back? It went up 100% so far. If you have been holding it ever since I posted that video, you would have made 100%. And these are the profits that you see. These are from my free YouTube videos. They made 51,000 profit and 30,000 profit and 18%, 50% from just 1,000 rupees. I mean, yeah, like people can start with 1,000 as well, which is nothing wrong. So this is just an example. And another video which is Canara Bank, which I posted like a year back, almost close to a year now. It has given 60%. Like Canara Bank is such a slow moving stock, but we booked 60%. And this is something which I got just 20 minutes back before I started this video, guys. Like this is 11:30, which is in Dubai time. It's like 30 minutes before Indian time, so which is 2. This guy joined like in 2020, and he's been making a very good money now. So I thought I will just include. And this is Tata Power analysis, which I made 3 years back on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you look back at my analysis video which I posted on YouTube, this is a major stock which which helped me a lot in reaching the first crore. Okay, these are the kind of stocks which you will come across in the next workshop. These are the kind of stocks that I'm aiming for. Mid cap and small cap is where you will book 50 to 60% profits. So again, this is not a call. This is not you will not be given a set of stocks to trade. No, what we are going to do is analyze and see which stocks are looking good, and it's up to you to take your own decision, which is not very tough, right? So yeah, so the 3 stocks that helped me the most is Tata Motors trade, Tata Power trade, and Jubilant Food, and few more. There were like top 6 trades which I took in 2020, which helped me reach my first crore profits in equity. So these are the kind of stocks that we are going to analyze in this paid webinar, paid workshop. And yes, it is going to be a recorded version, but I will also be conducting a question and answer session. Okay, I'll just talk about it in a minute. So what we are going to do, we're going to do the analysis of potential stocks, all the Nifty mid cap. There is like 300 stocks in small cap and 400 stocks in mid cap. Sorry, small cap and mid cap, there is almost close to 600 stocks. We're going to analyze that. pick the best performing stock, and we will put that on our watch list. Yeah, it is all about making use of the bullish situation that we have right now. Okay, this is like the COVID bottom, I guess, in my opinion, because the market has given a clear bullish signal. And people ask me, how do I choose stocks? This is the most asked questions in YouTube or anywhere, which I will discuss in my upcoming workshop, which is about to happen in a week. And what is the price? Honestly, I was quoting this to be 11,400, guys. Okay, I was quoting this 11,400, but I have reduced it to 9,400 only. And there is going to be one a video like this probably for 1 hour or more than that, or maybe 2 hours, or I can add up to anything. It's up to me to decide, right? Like, if I find the it's going to be 2 hours, it's going to be a 2 hour video. And then I will conduct two live session, and I will make sure that the live session works fine. And it's going to be just a doubt session. Okay, all the questions you have, I will answer everything in my in the webinar that you will be joining. And there will also be a follow-up session. There will be another video of about 1 hour after the next weekend. So for example, next weekend, if I'm uploading this course as a video, 1 hour analysis, I will also do another analysis follow-up video in the next weekend. So the value that you're going to get is going to be minimum 10. It's I'm not going to give you any numbers. I don't want to give you any numbers, but you will definitely gain a good amount of value in it. And I'm very sure that you will make good money from the free video that I'm uploading in this video, the free analysis that you're getting. So you should know what you will get from the paid one, right? So when it comes to payment method, there is going to be only two options for you to pay. There is not going to be GPay or UPI, because I'm using Stripe, which is an international payment method. So you can use only Visa or MasterCard, and try from these two cards. It should work. In case if it doesn't work, make sure to turn on the international transaction if it fails. Okay, and in the worst case, if anything doesn't work, please make sure to borrow it from your friends or relatives for the payment. Okay, because we don't have the options for UPI, because um, I use an international payment method. So that would be all, guys. The price is 9,400, which I will increase it to I don't want to give you the price, but I will definitely increase in 24 hours. 9,400 is the final price. And please make sure to enroll it as soon as possible. And not even 24 hours. Like, I'll see the reception. I don't want a lot of people. I want a very limited seats, to be honest, because I can focus. And if I conduct a live webinar, I'll be answering the doubts. So the limited people there are, the better for me. So make sure to enroll very soon, and I will increase it as soon as I see a good amount of numbers. Okay, and I will even close the sales very soon. So please make sure to join. And again, let me just reiterate what we are going to discuss. It's all about uh, analysis of small cap and mid cap stock. And no, it is not a call, and no, there will not be any buy advice or sell advice. All we are going to do is analyze the potential stocks for this upcoming weeks, and you will find a very good value in it. That's all I can tell you. And yeah, that would be all, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubts about this paid webinar, please make sure to WhatsApp me in to this number, which is 8610625691. I'll be available to reply. And as I said, there will be a doubt clearing session for anyone who enrolls to this webinar. And there will be a lot of videos I will be uploading. There will be a lot of follow-ups. Okay, these are the things. In case if you have any doubts, please let me know. So that would be all, guys. I hope you make the most use of this video, because we have a really good you know, a good opportunity to trade just in Nifty stocks. If you just you don't have to join the paid webinar if you don't want to trade the small cap and mid cap. Even this Nifty 50 is fine. um, the reason why I came up with this is because when I looked at the chart, I really wanted to do a video on all the charts, because these kind of opportunities comes very rare. I'm not the guy, you know it, right? I'm not the guy who trades very frequently, right? I don't trade very frequently, and let me just yeah, I trade rarely, and but this is the time to be very busy, and I know this. And when I looked at the chart, I found that it has not even gone up, but this is the right time where you enter. You know what I mean? So in case, okay, in case if I find the setups to be moving in my favor, what I'm gonna do is I will upload the mid cap analysis stock video right away, maybe tomorrow, maybe today after tomorrow. What I would suggest you is buy the workshop. I'll place the link in the description of this video. Buy it as soon as possible so that you don't miss the analysis video, because I can do it tomorrow as well if it looks all favorable, because I don't want you to wait until the end of the week and miss the move. You know what I mean? So I'll just wait for Monday, and then I'm gonna decide when I'm gonna do the analysis video. But I can assure you, you will find a very good value in it. You will learn a lot. You learned a lot in this free video. You will learn 10 times more in my paid video. I can assure you that. Okay. So yeah, let me know how this all went. I hope you liked this. My initial plan was to do analysis on only Nifty 50 stocks, but we did a great job analyzing and finding the potential stocks in all the Nifty 200 stocks, and I hope you guys make money in this. See you soon, probably in another video. I've never done 1 hour 12 minutes video in one go, but I'm excited. I'm very happy because uh, this is the right opportunity for you guys to make use of it. And this is like I feel like this is like 2020. You know, there were times I felt the last time I felt like this is when in 2020 or November, December, you know, the peak bull market. So yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much again, and see you soon.